Okay. My name is Florian Fuseis. I'm a senior lecturer at the School of Geosciences. I mean, Edinburgh is it's a big school. It's one of the largest in the UK, and it's a small school at the same time. You will, know all of your lecturers pretty early. We go on many field trips. We get to know each other, and we easily reach a stage where teachers become mentors. Students design their own research projects, and they're really aided by academics. Edinburgh, of course, is a city where we have our own volcano in the middle of the town, so that's not very frequent, I would say. So we are really close to the things we study. Scotland in itself is a perfect place for doing geology. I mean, me as an Austrian saying that is, but it's true. So, das macht man beim Film, machen wir das so. Warte mal, weißt du, warten. So, okay, und dann schaust du mir dann in die Kamera und dann machst du mal so.
Wann?
Jetzt.
That's a wrap.
Okay, super.